Welcome back to AVP Auto. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the brand new 2026 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid. If you're someone who's been waiting for Mazda to finally step into the hybrid SUV game with something that blends power, efficiency, and that signature Mazda style, then you're going to love what we've got for you. Right off the bat, the 2026 CX-5 Hybrid makes a strong impression. Mazda has managed to refine what was already a sleek, premium-looking SUV, and now, with the addition of hybrid tech, it feels like they've finally bridged that gap between performance and sustainability. From the outside, the updated design continues Mazda's Kodo design language with bold curves, sharp LED lighting, and a more aggressive stance. The front grille has been slightly refreshed, adding a sense of depth and presence, especially when it's coming down the road. The hybrid badging is subtle, but enough to let people know you're driving something a bit more advanced. Under the hood, the CX-5 Hybrid pairs Mazda's proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 220 horsepower. Power delivery is smooth, responsive, and honestly, it feels quicker than you'd expect from a compact SUV. The hybrid system isn't just there for show, it actually enhances the driving experience. Acceleration off the line is confident, and the transition between gas and electric is seamless. You'll really appreciate this when you're merging onto the highway or navigating busy city streets. Mazda also tuned this hybrid system for a more engaging drive, something you rarely hear with hybrids. The steering has weight, the suspension is tight but comfortable, and it manages to retain that zoom DNA Mazda fans love. Now, let's talk about fuel efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of going hybrid is, of course, better MPG. Mazda estimates the 2026 CX-5 Hybrid to deliver around 37 miles per gallon combined, which is a massive improvement over its gasoline-only counterpart. For road trippers, campers, or anyone constantly on the move, that's a big win. It's efficient without sacrificing performance, and that balance is hard to find in this segment. Step inside, and the interior of the CX-5 Hybrid really seals the deal. Mazda continues to punch above its weight when it comes to cabin quality. You get premium materials everywhere, soft touch surfaces, stitched leather, and an overall minimalist but upscale design that feels far more luxurious than you'd expect at this price point. The center console has been slightly revised to accommodate the hybrid system, but everything remains intuitive and driver-focused. The new 12.3-inch infotainment display is crisp, responsive, and now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The digital instrument cluster is also a nice touch, displaying everything from battery usage to efficiency stats in real time. Mazda has also introduced an improved voice assistant and a more seamless integration with smartphones and wearables, making this one of the most connected CX-5s yet. Sound system: crystal clear. The available Bose 10 speaker setup immerses you in sound whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or taking a call on the go. In terms of space, the CX-5 Hybrid doesn't compromise. You've still got plenty of legroom in the front and rear, and cargo space remains competitive even with the added hybrid components. With the rear seats folded, you're looking at around 60 cubic feet of usable space, perfect for weekend camping gear, road trip luggage, or even your dog's favorite travel crate. And yes, the flat floor and low loading height make it easier to slide things in and out without straining your back. Safety-wise, Mazda's pulling out all the stops. The 2026 CX-5 Hybrid comes standard with the latest version of iActiveSense, which includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and the all-important automatic emergency braking. There's also a new driver attention monitor that uses a camera to detect drowsiness or distraction, giving subtle alerts to refocus you on the road. One thing we especially liked during our test drive was how quiet this SUV is. The hybrid powertrain brings with it an extra layer of smoothness and silence, especially when driving in EV mode at low speeds. It's perfect for early morning getaways when you don't want to wake up the whole campground or your sleeping passengers. And if you're towing a small trailer or camper, you'll be glad to know the CX-5 Hybrid is rated to pull up to 2,000 pounds. That's more than enough for a lightweight teardrop trailer or utility hauler. The hybrid system's torque also helps with hill climbs and acceleration when you're towing, something traditional gas-only compact SUVs sometimes struggle with. So, who's the 2026 Mazda CX-5 hybrid really for? If you're someone who loves adventure but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort, performance, or fuel efficiency, this SUV checks a lot of boxes. It's perfect for couples, small families, or solo adventurers who want a reliable and stylish companion for both daily drives and weekend getaways. Mazda has found a sweet spot here. It's not trying to be the cheapest hybrid, but it's absolutely trying to be the most refined and engaging. Price-wise, the CX-5 hybrid starts at just under $34,000, with higher trims reaching into the low $40Ks. For what you get in terms of quality, technology, and efficiency, that's actually very competitive. And when you compare it to other hybrid SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid or Honda CR-V Hybrid, Mazda's offering feels a bit more upscale and driver-focused. One more thing worth mentioning is Mazda's extended warranty and service options for the hybrid system. They've clearly put thought into customer peace of mind, especially for those new to hybrid ownership. Battery warranty runs for 8 years or 100,000 miles, and regular maintenance intervals have been spaced out thanks to regenerative braking and fewer wear and tear components compared to traditional drivetrains. At the end of the day, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 hybrid is more than just a green badge on a popular SUV. It's a well-rounded, thoughtfully built, and genuinely fun-to-drive vehicle that finally gives Mazda fans what they've been asking for: efficiency without compromise. Whether you're cruising down the highway, heading off-grid for a weekend camping trip, or just navigating your daily commute, this SUV adapts beautifully to your lifestyle. If you're considering going hybrid in 2026, the CX-5 absolutely deserves a spot on your test drive list. It delivers on almost every front: looks, power, tech, economy, and comfort. And for us here at Camping World, it's one of the most exciting crossovers we've driven this year. Thanks for riding along with us on this full review of the new 2026 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe to AVP Auto for more SUV and camper reviews, travel tips, and outdoor gear guides. Got questions about the CX-5 Hybrid or want us to compare it with another vehicle? Drop a comment below and we'll get back to you. Until next time, stay adventurous, drive safe, and keep exploring.